Hello, my students, grade 5. How are you? Today we'll solve for المعاصر book, Career Governance, number 2, page 62 for المعاصر book, okay? In this year, 2025. It's new questions, okay? Look at with me questions number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, the place value of the digit 9 is the number 43 and 95 hundredths. We want to find the place value of the digit 9. 9 here lies in tenths. Choose letter A about question number 1. Because 9 here lies in tens place, okay? Next questions number 2. We have 17 and 86 hundredths approximated to the nearest tenses. It will be what? 6 can give 1 to the number 8. So the result will be 17.5 to approximate it to the nearest tenses. Question number 3. 2 grams convert to kilogram divided by 1000. The result will be 2000. Okay, choose letter D. Next question number 4. The greatest common factor of 6 and 12. We know 12 we can divide it by 6. Then 6 it will be the greatest common factor between them. Okay, because 12 can divide it by 6. He asked about which digits to 6 or 12, 6 and 12 can divide by height common factor between them, which is a number. We know 6 equals 6 by 1 and 12 equals 6 by 2, and we have 3 by 2 and 3 by 4. So 6 is the height common factor between two numbers. Or 12 can divide by 6, yes. So 6 is the height common factor, the greatest common factor between them, and 6 we can write 6 here, choose letter B, and 12 least common multiplication. So the result will be letter B. Question number 5, the sum of 2.6 and 0.95. We must put 0 here and add two numbers, 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 6, 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3. The result will be 3 and 55. Choose letter C. Next question, number 6. The number whose prime factors are 3, 3 and 2, we can find the product between three digits. 3 product by 3 product by 2, it will be 9, 9 times 2 equals 18. See the result. Question number 7, the product of 0.5 and 0.7. We know 5 times 7 equals 35, and the point will be after two places. Because it was 5 over 10, and this number was 7 over 10, the result will be 35 over 100. Okay, questions number 2. The equation h equal 6.75 subtracted by 2.3, we can write the variable h equal the value of the variable h. Write 0 here, 5 minus 0, 5, and 7 minus 3, 4, and 6 minus 3, 4. It's the result of h. Question number 3, the least common multiplication of 3 and 5, it will be 0 product, 3 times 5 equal 50. Question number 3, the product between 37 and 4 tenths 100, we must move the point right hand side by two places as 3, 7, 4, and 0. Next question number 4. 3600 divided by 4, 36 divided by 4 equal 9, and then write double 0. Question number 5. The prime factorization of 12, we can write 2 and 3. Cos 12 equal 2, product by 2, product by 3, so the result will be 2 and 3. We can write 2 and 3. Solution 2 and 3, okay? Question 6, standard form. The number, we can write 5 in the ones, and 3 in tenths, 6 in hundredths, and 9 in thousandths. Question number 7. We have 17 product 45. We can use distributive properties. Write 17 product by 40 plus 17 product by 5 because 40 plus 5, 45. Question 8. The value of 12 plus 24 divided by 4 plus 2. We have here order operation. We can write division first. Write 12 plus 24 divided by 4 equals 6. And then 12 plus 6 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Choose the correct answer, number 3. Estimate the product of 520 product by 13. We have 520 nearest to 500, 13 nearest to 10. Then the product it will be 5000. Choose letter A. You can write the result by another solution about 520, comparing between the actual number and the approximated. We know 520 product by 13 equals 3 times 0 equals 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 5 15, plus another 0, 1 times 0, 1 times 2, 1 times 5, and then 8 two numbers, 5 plus 1 6, so the result will be 6760. Okay, and what about the numbers here? 500 needs to estimate the product of this number. We can write, we have 5360 again, 3 times 0, 3 times 2, 3 times 5, and write this number and then 8 together, 5000, and here 6760. Okay, we haven't here 6000, so the result will be 5000. It's the actual number, and this estimation was 520 nearest to 100, it will be what? It will be 500, and to the nearest 10, it will be 10. 10 times 500 will be 5000. But this number is the actual number. We have the difference between two numbers, okay? But the estimation here, it will be 5000. The estimate by product, we must choose what? 5000 by using estimation. Question number 2 is a common multiple for all numbers, it will be 0. Question number 3, 9 liters equal 9000 milliliters. Question number 4, which of the following is prime number? Prime number is meaning number can divide it by itself and one only. Each number has two factors. Any prime number can divide it by itself and one only. So we must choose 19. 19 is prime number because 19 equal 1 product by 19. It was question number 4. And here question number 5. If R plus 2.07 equal 5.19, then the value of R equal 5.19 subtracted by 2.7. 9 minus 7 it will be 2, and 1 minus 0 1, and 5 minus 2 equals 3. It's the value of R. Question number 6. 15 divided by 3 plus 2. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 plus 2, it will be 7. Questions number 7. The prime number whose sum of its factors equal 8, it will be 7. Because 7 equals 7 product by 1. It's prime factor. 10 divided by itself and 1 only has two factors. So the result will be 7. Okay. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Number 1. If t subtracted by 2.45 equals 0.6, we can find the value of t here. T here we call it the median. To find the value of median, you must 8 subtrahend to the difference, right? 2.45 plus 0.26. Then 6 plus 5, 11, 1 and carry up 1, 3 plus 4, 7, and write 2. It's the value of t. Question number 2. Find the greatest common factor of 15 and 10. We know 15 equal 5 product by 3 and 10 equal 5 by 2. The greatest common factor between them, it will be 5. Next question, number 3. A merchant has 37.5 meters of fabric. He sold 15.7 meters. How many meters remain? We can find the difference between them. Right, 37 and half subtract by 15.7. 5 minus 7, we can't do it for 1. 15 minus 7 will be 8. 6 minus 5, 1, and 3 minus 1 equal to. The result will be 21 and 8 tenths meter. Question number 4. Hamza bought 5 pens of the same type. If the price of one pen is 4.5, what is the total amount of Hamza paid? We can write the product between 5 and 4.5 because 4.5 is the price of each one of the pen. We can find the total amount, right? 5 times 5, 25, 5 and carry up 2. 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 2, it will be 22. So the result will be 22.5 pounds. This is the price of total money.